Good morning, guys. So today we're going to make this bad boy. Is it a pudding or is it a breakfast? I haven't quite decided. You could eat it both, you know. But it's a lotus biscoff. It's kind of like a cheesecake, but no cheese. And using a weetabix, which is something most of us have in our cupboards. Anyway, I've used a skyr, yoghurt and protein powder, so it's protein packed as well. And then a naughty topping, I just love it. Perfect for those lazy weekend mornings. But yeah, I really hope you enjoy it. Thank you for being here with me. I'll keep it short. Let's get not baking. So first things first, we need your tumbler, glass, wine glass. This one's really pretty. Or a nice martini glass. Can you see me? Probably not. I'll duck. So today we're using this tumbler. But you can use a wine glass or a cocktail glass, depending on how fancy you're feeling for breakfast. So first things first, we need to crush the weetabix into the glass. Just crumble it up. Crumbles it really easily. So now we're going to add the milk to the weetabix, because it's breakfast after all. Next we need to just pat it down with a spoon. Grab a spoon. Cannot help but think of Friends whenever I hear that. Is anyone else a fan of Friends? So sad about Chandler. Anyway, pat it down. Next we need to add the yoghurt and the protein powder together, but I realise the protein powder is not going to fit in this tiny bowl, so we need to change bowls. That was a good slop, wasn't it? Add the protein powder. It smells so lush. Mix it all together. This is going to be our filling. It smells very good. I really do like skyr yoghurt. It was nice to have it whilst in Iceland last year. What a beautiful place that is. Have you been? I think that's all mixed. Lovely. So we need to pop this on top of our weetabix. It smells so good, without trying to make a mess. I will speed this up so you don't have to watch me spoon it all in, trying to do it neatly, as it's for YouTube and all that, aesthetics. Although I don't know what I'm doing, so This probably looks dreadful, so I'm sorry. I hope this isn't too boring for you. Keep going until you finish all the yoghurt. So this is how it's looking. Not too shabby. So I've just boiled the kettle. We just need to add a tiny bit of boiling water to the sauce to make it more saucy. That might have been a little bit too much. I'd say about a tablespoon. So let's mix those two together if we can. How much are you a fan of biscoff? These are not mixing very well, are they? Now we're cooking. Or not cooking, as the case may be. Sorry about the scrapes. We actually might need some more water. There we have it. It's like caramel now, but biscoff flavour. So now we just need to spoon the biscoff caramel on top. We're nearly done, guys, don't worry. Oh, I made a mess. That's annoying. It's a little naughty, isn't it? It's not the worst thing for you. It's full of protein. It's a little treat on a weekend. So keep smoothing. The voice is working, guys. Can you believe it? I do not. So this is how it's looking. All the layers. All that's left to do is the topping. So you have the biscuit. Snap it in half and then crumble half. Question is it a breakfast or is it a pudding? Let me know. And then to finish with the other half of your biscuit. And voila. So here it is, our little cheesecake inspired breakfast, packed full of protein and all the good things. So here it is. I hope you really enjoyed making this with me. Let me know if you did and if you try it, and don't forget to tag me in your Instagram post or anything. If you want to just say hello, say hi. Have a beautiful day. Thank you for being here. Love you lots. See you next week. Tell me guys, is this naughty or is it nice? I think it's both. And the piece de la, cannot even say that.